LIGNA is where the world comes to see what's next in wood processing, and we are proud to be part of that. This year, we're showing machines for everyone, from weekend woodworkers to full-scale industrial operators.
At Wood-Mizer, we keep things simple. We make great machines to support the people who use them. LIGNA is the place where the wood industry meets.
From hobbyists to professional sawyers, we have something for everyone. Starting from the new LX30 sawmill to the LX50 series to the LT40 series and other portable sawmills and sawmill blades, woodworking equipment and tools, whatever you need, we've got it.
This year we're taking things up a notch. Wood-Mizer Systems provides customers with the best solutions tailored to their individual business needs. We are showcasing 2 complete industrial sawing lines, including the new WM5500 sawmill with the MR250 multi-rib and the WM2500 with the EG350 board edger. All of this is accompanied by our comprehensive material handling solutions.
Machines don't work alone. Our team is here with answers, tools, and all professional backup wherever you mill.
We are excited to welcome customers from all over the world here at our stands in Hannover. Wood-Mizer has been present in the global sawmilling industry for over 40 years, and we've sold over 100,000 sawmills to customers on all continents. I'm happy to have been a part of it.
Asia's sawmilling market is highly diverse, encompassing from small-scale operations to large-scale industrial systems.
Wood-Mizer offers sawmills for every climate and working conditions. Also here in Africa, our sawmills do a fantastic job cutting hardwood in high humidity and high temperatures.
At LIGNA, connection is at the heart of everything we do, linking people, ideas and innovation. It was a pleasure to meet so many visitors and discuss how our solutions can empower their businesses.